introduces the HTC One X, now $99.99. Rethink possible. Hey, it's my turn to talk.
You were so close to your record of 7 whole seconds without talking.
Yeah, I just
declared major disaster sites. That by the President of the United States. Nearly 1 million people now are without power in 4 different Gulf states. Thousands of people are being flooded out of their homes, rescued, running for their lives.
The rain, that's going to end up. There's going to be a lot of flooding, so we're having to shift some resources there to prepare for that eventuality.
So, Ashley, you can sum it up in a nutshell. The water may have stopped falling here, but it's still rising and causing problems.
And of course, storm surges and the winds pushing those waters as well. Talk to me a little bit, David, with the time we have left about the dam considerations and that
has moved up, just centered over Jackson, Mississippi. And that area here will pick up about 5 inches of rain today. That water all has to get into the Gulf of Mexico at some point. Ashley.
We talked at the top of the newscast chat about this issue of actually intentionally breaching a levee. I never thought I would hear those words, especially in the New Orleans area, but intentionally breaching a levee to give relief to one of these parishes?
Do you remember back in the flood of last year, the Mississippi River, the Army Corps breached a levee?
This is my lunch brunch. This is from the grill. We were supposed to be in New Orleans today, but because of the storm, we're still in the Gulf of Mexico. Hopefully we'll be in Alabama by tomorrow morning. Big waves. This is the pool area, as you can see. This is the pool area. There's a lot of people swimming and tan bathing and all that. Then look at that one up there. Carnival Elation. Oh yeah. Where they do all the running and all that.
making too much.
The other way.
Here's a letter that we're going to share with you here just now. Again, don't do anything though. Just hear this and treat it as for your information only. Okay? Here we go. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is from the captain, and of course we're here on the bridge giving an update on the arrival. It looks like the port of Mobile, Alabama. Somebody said I can't pronounce Mobile. Anyway, Alabama. That's where we plan on going. It's closed to ship traffic still. However, we've been informed that the Port Authority in New Orleans is completing their assessment of the Mississippi River. We're now headed to New Orleans, where we are hopeful. Now keep in mind that word hopeful. We can complete the debarkation process tomorrow.
Okay, this is on Lido Deck. Looks like it rained. Or I think they just cleaned it. So now, there's not much people here. So yeah, we are now on the way to the back of the ship. And we're gonna eat at Tiffany's restaurant for dinner. So as you can, that's the stage right there. This is where they perform the things. Yeah, so this is where they perform the stage and all that. And this is me right here. That's the outdoor grill. That's the, yeah. So now we are now entering Tiffany's restaurant for dinner. So let's go eat right now. Okay, it's already 8:15 p.m. We are now eating here. Our last dinner here at Tiffany's restaurant. It's already August 30th, 2012.